Good, wonderful morning, everybody. Noisy birdies are waking up. We're left where it's pitch black. The sun's coming up. Wondering if we left too late. So she was up at 2:30, ready to go. I thought, no, give it another hour, we'll see. But I'm thinking that she might be right. Oh, this area just stinks of bird poo. And the bin chickens. Awful bin chickens. Haven't seen another soul out. It is 4:30 now. So, a few birdies have been out. 3 crows over there that she's interested in. And 2 rascally wabbits. She wants to annoy the crows. There's a hare. It's just ducked into the grass up there. But, and it's off again. Apparently I'm walking backwards for something. Why are we walking backwards? I'm not walking all the way back, sweetie. I think she's trying to find a way in. So she's walking along the fence the other way. She can see here that, yep, there's no way in, so she's going backwards. See if she's missed a spot to get in. But dogs aren't allowed in the animal sanctuary. Cats are, but not dogs. Well, technically cats aren't either because it'd be classified as roaming. And it's illegal to have roaming cats. They still do. People still have roaming cats. But it's illegal to have them. So I'm hoping we can get home before the sun actually comes up fully and starts getting hot. It's supposed to be 34 degrees today. Hence why the very early morning walks. Because we have to do early morning walks. Try and beat that heat. Oh, what this dog's doing? You're getting yourself all tangled. She says, I'm hot, Dad. I want to go on the creek. Well, we'll leave you to it, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day.